Hi there, my name is Martinez-McGraw. This is my Module 10 case study, a new role for the parents' organization. So Section 1 summary. The principal is concerned about the new parents' organization. Last spring they broke apart from the national PTA. New parent organizations want more parent participation and involvement. The principal is confused since they typically plan parent-staff picnics, parent-teacher conferences, and promoted bonds. The principal feels as though he needs to support the new organization. PTA also wants to be a bigger part of decision-making and policy-making for the school. The organization also met to set up committees on discipline, teacher performance, curriculum, and total school evaluation, and they want more say in their children's education. So some legal and ethical issues. Legal issues, the only legal issue that might arise from this is the confidentiality that may come with most of the students being minors. Some ethical issues that have occurred in the way the new president of the organization is working with the principal, them kind of butting heads and not getting along. The president of the PTO believes that he is in charge of the school and not the principal, and then the principal will have to answer to the district in public if anything kind of goes wrong. So kind of synthesizing the case, the new organization disassociated themselves from the new national PTA, and now the parent organization wants to be involved more in what is happening at the school, such as discipline, evaluations, curriculum, and events. So some of the people facts. What we know is the principal has been in charge, the president of the new organization, the PTA, and then some faculty and staff from the previous years. So some things that we don't know. Who was previously in charge of the organization? What is the community like? Are they supportive, like the community members? Who else is part of the committees that will be informed? Who or if the principal has spoken to about these issues? Some place facts. This case did not really disclose much of the information about the place, such as where it takes place other than at a school. We do not know the city, population, demographics, information about the district, or if there are other schools that are having the same issues around there. So some program facts, what we know, new PTA organization, they have back to school week, it's a new committee. What we don't know, the structure of the old organization, if committees were part of the old organization, what parent involvement looked like in the old organization, what communication was there between the principal and the president back in the old one, and what communication there was between the principal and president of the old organization. So prioritizing some information. This new organization has decided to be an independent para group, not associated with the national PTA. When meeting with the principal, the new principal revealed many plans to the new organization that the new organization had for the school, including extending the back to school night to the whole week. The new organization has already formed committees that are designed to help discipline teacher performance, curriculum, and total school evaluation. And the new organization is also going to play a bigger role in decision-making and policy-making. So some plans. Option 1, no action taken. Allow the president to kind of do whatever they want, and the organization will lead the school decision-making process. Option 2, work together to find a balance between the principal and organization that allows the two to work together to betterment the students of the school. Option 3, shut down the organization. Do not allow them to make any changes to the school events. So evaluating the plans. Option 1, not very many pros in my opinion. The cons, principal does not stand up for the school, does not have a say in the event building, principal loses control of the school. Potential outcomes, the new organization will continue to implement more into the school, gain more control of the decisions of the school. Option 2, the pros, allow the principal and president to build a relationship and balance relationship. Both can work in the schools in different ways for school improvement. Some cons, possibly of upsetting parents if you push back too much. As potential outcomes, the two are able to work together in a great way where the principal and student create opportunities for students in the community in the classroom. And then option 3, you don't have to worry about too much involvement from the PTO. It shuts down relationships to the community member. To the community, shows the principal is not willing to work with other groups. And then the potential outcomes shows the principal is not willing to change and is not willing to work with the new organization. This can upset many parents and community members and lead to the dismissal of the principal. So what is the best option? In my opinion, the best option for the principal to take is option 2. They need to find a way to work together to find a balance between the principal and organization that allows the two to work together for betterment of the students of the school. This option allows the principal to compromise with the new president and create a working relationship where both parties are working for the betterment of the school. I firmly believe this is the best option. Will provide the school the opportunity to build relationships to the community in ways that they may not have been able to in the past, and potentially create a lot of great opportunities for the students, who ultimately are the ones that matter the most. Implementing the plan. Have another meeting with the president of the PTO. Explain where you are as principal comfortable with the organization, being involved in the decision-making and policy process. Explain the role that you would want the organization to play. Show the president the great opportunities they could create by working together. Allow the president to speak with the rest of the organization. Meet again and continue to work relationship between the two, keeping in mind that we are working together for the betterment of the school. So the conclusion, I firmly believe that by working together as the PTO and the school principal, that the organization can do great things for the school and surrounding community. I believe that having a strong and healthy working partnership would benefit the school, most importantly the students. The principal will be able to make the academic decisions concerning the school, while the parent organization will be able to set up the parent activities, community partnerships, and business connects, all to benefit the students and the school. If either one tries to overpower the other, like the president is currently trying to do, the school and students will not get the quality opportunities that are out there. I believe that the principal needs to hold strong and set the ground rules for the president and make the first step in creating a working relationship with a new organization, with both keeping in mind what the end goal is, and that is to serve the students of the school. Here are my references. I appreciate you guys. This has been an amazing class. This has helped me tremendously. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope to see you all soon. Take care, guys.